Hello and welcome to the very first video of this series on AI. We will keep bringing you videos on latest developments and progress in the field of engineering. For now, it's artificial intelligence that's in the trend. Make sure to stay till the end as we are going to talk about a lot of AI applications that are transforming engineering and the way engineers work. Because just like the internet, AI is going to transform the way we work, and people who are curious and eager to learn will make the cut to be on the top of this field. So without any further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, what is artificial intelligence? In the simplest terms, AI is like giving machines, especially computers and softwares, the ability to think and learn. A bit like how humans do. It enables them to make decisions, solve problems, and even understand and interact with people. Do I need to take a few names here? I'm sure I don't. You have already heard or even used tools like ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney, DALL-E, etc. Ever wonder how we got here? How did AI begin? Well, AI was born in 1950s when smart people started trying to make machines think and act like humans. They wanted computers to do things that usually need human intelligence, such as understanding languages, playing chess, and making predictions. The famous British mathematician Alan Turing played a big role. He came up with the idea of a Turing test, a way to see if a computer can talk like a human. It's like a language test for machines. In 1956, a bunch of really smart folks organized the Dartmouth workshop in US. This was like the official birth of AI as a field. They thought, hey, let's make computers do cool things. This curiosity of some smart folks led to more progress, and we stepped into the world of machine learning, when computers and software began to learn. It happened in the early 21st century when AI started getting really good at learning from data. It powers many things today, from voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistants, to self-driving cars like Tesla. So AI began as a quest to make machines smart like humans, and it has a fascinating history filled with ups and downs. It's all about teaching computers to do amazing things. Now let's get started with the main aspects of this video. That is, how AI is being used in engineering. Well, we are witnessing the biggest technological transformation of this century. Just like the internet in the 20th century, we now have access to AI technology. Engineers are relying on AI to design, develop, and improve the existing products, processes, systems to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and production time. They are automating the repetitive tasks, analyzing complex datasets to make sustainable decisions, optimizing designs to make futuristic products, and more importantly, solving the most complex problems of our time. With the help of AI, engineers can process data, identify patterns and errors to make decisions, design more complex systems with greater accuracy and precision while reducing the risk of errors. So let's deep dive into some of the major engineering streams and explore how AI is being used in these streams. Do we really need to talk about the application of AI in computer science? I don't think we do. AI is possible because of computers, and computers are becoming smarter because of AI. These two are complementary to each other. However, talking about the computer hardware, AI is helping in designing and optimizing computer chips to enhance the computing power. In civil engineering, AI is used to assess the condition of infrastructure like bridges and buildings. Sensors and AI algorithms can predict maintenance needs. To give you an example, AI is being used in monitoring the Golden Gate Bridge to assess and maintain its structural integrity. In mechanical engineering, manufacturing and robotics are AI-driven. Robots and machines used in assembly line improve efficiency and precision in manufacturing. In aircraft design, AI is used to optimize aerodynamics and design parameters. For example, Boeing uses AI for designing more fuel-efficient aircraft. Smart grids are one of the applications of AI in electrical engineering. AI optimizes distribution of electricity, making grids more efficient and responsive. AI enables self-driving cars and enhances driver's assistance systems. Tesla's Autopilot and Waymo's autonomous vehicles are two of many such companies leveraging AI in making autonomous vehicles. In material engineering, AI accelerates the discovery of new materials with desired properties through AI-driven simulation to design advanced materials. AI is used to optimize supply chains, reducing costs and enhancing delivery efficiency in industrial engineering. This list can go on. But the idea of this video was to show you how AI is penetrating the engineering world. Even if you are not an engineer, it's a matter of great excitement how AI is going to realize a lot of things that are dreams. So, that's all for this video. I want to leave you with a famous saying that's trending these days, because this will be what we are going to cover in the next video. AI won't replace engineers. Engineers using AI will. So, in the next video, we will bust the myths about AI taking over jobs. So don't forget to follow us and stay tuned for the next video.